guys, today we are going to solve one more LeetCode problem, that is trapping rainwater. Falls under hot section. Okay, so let's see what is this problem. So you have been given towers of different heights and measured in terms of units. So this is the tower of height 1 and this is of height 2 and this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, and that will be given as input. So you can see if there is no tower in these indexes, for example index 0, index 2 and then 5. Okay, so those will be represented as zeros. Okay, now our task is, if there is unlimited rain, how much water these buildings can hold off. Okay, so how we will measure? So the green color or blue color, whatever you see, here is the water. So again, the water is also measured in terms of units. So for example, here between these two buildings we can hold 1 unit of water, and between these two buildings we can hold 3 plus 1, so total 4 units of water we can hold, and here 1 more unit. So 1 plus 4 plus 1, so that is 6. So we have to return 6 as an output. So let's discuss about the solution, how we can do that. Okay, though it is a hard problem, the solution is pretty simple. Let's discuss. If you see at any index, let's take this, how much water it can hold, how we can calculate. So we have to see what is the left max to this index. So here 2 is the left max, and also what is the right max. So this is the right max building. Okay, towards right, what is the maximum height of building? So that is 3, and towards left the maximum height building is 2. So we have to take minimum of those two, so that is 2, and from that 2 we have to subtract the height of the building. So here there is no height, there is no building, so like 0 has to be subtracted. So 2 minus 0, that is 2, so it can hold 2 units of water. Let's take this. So for this also, the left max will be 2 and the right max will be 3. So minimum of those two will be 2, and from that 2 we have to take the height of the building. So here the height of the building is 1, so 2 minus 1, so 1, so it can hold 1 unit of water. Same goes for this. Okay, let's see this. So for this, the left max will be again 3 units and the right max will be 2 units. So minimum of those two is 2. So 2 minus the height of the building is 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So it can hold 1 unit of water. So by this, you must be thinking we have to calculate left max and right max for each and every index. So let's see how I will do that. Okay, let's take size as a height of length. Okay, so let's declare left max, and so for each and every tower we have to find out what is the maximum height of the tower that resides left to it. Okay, so for the first index there is no left, so the height of the building itself will become the left max. So let me do that. Left max of 0 will be height of 0. Okay, and we have to calculate from first building. Okay, and the left max will be, left max of y will be math dot max. Okay, what max we have to take? Left max. So far, what is the left maximum height and also height of this tower itself. So with this we can calculate the left maxes. Okay, so we have to do same for right max, but for right max we have to start from the right. So let me first declare the right max. Okay, of size n, right max of n minus 1. Okay, for the rightmost building there is no right, so height of the rightmost building will be its right max. Okay, and we have to start from n minus 2, and it should be greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus. Okay, so right max will be I plus 1. Okay, and the height of I. So with this we have both right max and left max. So we have to now calculate the amount of water. Okay, water quantity, let's take it as a 0. Okay, now again I will run loop from 0 to n. Okay, so here what I will do, as I said, like the amount of water quantity it can hold is, we have to first to take min of left and right, left max, right max. We have to take the min, and from that min we have to subtract the height of the building, right? So let me do that. Okay, and for this min we have to subtract height of the building, right? That's it. Finally let's return water quantity. Okay, okay, so let's try to run it and see what happens. Yeah, see, it got accepted. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple. As I said, like we have to calculate left max and then right max. How we will do? So we will start for like left max, we will start from 1, because the 0th index building height, left max will be height of the building itself. So from the first index onwards, the left max will be max of left max I minus 1 and height of the current building. Similarly for right, we have to start from right, n minus 2, because the rightmost building height will be right max of that building, and we have to take max of right max I plus 1 and then height of that building. Finally, how we will calculate the water quantity? So water quantity we will calculate by taking min of left max, right max, and then subtracting the height of the building, and then we will get the final water quantity these towers or buildings can hold. Okay, great. Thank you guys. I hope the solution is pretty clear, and if you still have any doubts, please leave a comment. I will try to answer you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.